In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a call using Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working from home or coordinating with team members in a remote setting, mastering the art of communication through Microsoft Teams is essential. So let's get started with the basics of making a call. The first thing you'll want to do is open up Microsoft Teams. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your details to access your account. It's important to ensure you're logged in so you have access to all the features available to your account. If you run into any login issues, double-check your credentials or consider resetting your password if needed. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side menu panel. Here you'll see a variety of options, and by clicking on the one labeled Calls, you're entering the Calls dashboard. This is where all your call-related actions will take place. Getting familiar with this area will help streamline your workflow, whether you're making, receiving, or managing calls. Now that you're on the Calls panel, you have access to a search bar or an option to directly add the person you want to call. Type in the name of the colleague or contact you're looking to reach. The search function is quite intuitive and will pull up matching contacts from your organization's directory. This step is crucial as it ensures accurate communication with the right person. Once you've identified the right individual, a simple click on their name will suffice to select them for your call. Double-check that you've chosen the correct contact by reviewing the details that pop up. It's always a good idea to verify this step to avoid any communication mishaps, especially when handling work-related calls. After selecting the desired contact, you'll notice an option to call them directly. Go ahead and click on Call to initiate the connection. You should hear a ringing tone indicating that the call is being placed. Bear in mind that your network connection can affect call quality, so ensure you're connected to a stable internet service. And there you have it. You've just placed a call using Microsoft Teams. This process is quite straightforward, and with a little practice, it will become second nature. Teams is a powerful tool not just for calls, but for video conferencing and messaging, so taking the time to familiarize yourself with its features can significantly enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate calling in Microsoft Teams with ease. Until next time, happy calling!